Welcome to my channel. Two squirrels running here. It's storming like crazy, thunderstorm and lightning. I'll show you the roof. Looks like a small river, small stream. I was gonna go live, but my live stream has been disabled because they say my kid is under 13 and he went live, and for that reason they disabled my live stream, so I can't do that. I'm gonna appeal. I may not win, but stupid whoever said he's under 13. Anyway, me ranting. Sometimes YouTube policies don't make sense. They do make sense, but then they need to figure out how do you decide a kid is not 13. I'm his father. I know how old he is, but the moderators say he's not. And I'm like, that's stupid. You can't just disable a feature because you are saying a kid is not age appropriate or he's not 13, but he is. Anyway, not happy about that, but there isn't much I can do about it. Somebody made a mistake and I got to suffer and live with it. This will look nice if it's at night, then you can see the lightning. Not sure if you saw that. I like that sound. Now you can see how much it's raining because I zoomed. Look over here. Look how much water is coming down. Yesterday our football team is called Frogtown. If you type on YouTube anywhere, Frogtown football, you're gonna see videos from Jacob and Dad going back to 2021. My kid has been playing there for Frogtown, but we played in a storm. It looks the same like today. If I see you recorded again, that video, stay tuned. I'll be posting it soon. I like the water sound, the rain sound. See a person over there walking in the rain. I have a bird house over here. but I have cereal in there. Not cereal. I got bird food, bird feed. Sometimes the squirrels go in there and eat, chasing the birds away. They don't want to share. There's lightning. Listen to the thunder. When it storms at night, it's better because you can see the lightning up in the sky. There's a long bus. I think people call it accordion. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video. You're gonna leave a comment. Maybe you're gonna give a like. Thumbs up, that helps push this video to more people. And if you can subscribe, that would be even better. And if you subscribe, you can come back and watch a playlist. Don't subscribe and disappear. I appreciate your time. Friday evening, storms coming through. Check the playlist if you're new. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I love my subscribers. So I love you too if you subscribe. Subscribing is free, you know that? You just click that subscribe button and you're done. Take care of yourself. Have a good Friday evening. Some guy walking with a kid over there. And have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Take care of yourself and those you love. Peace out.